Rancho Cordova is an urban center with a small town feel. It's earned the accolade of All-American City and Playful City, USA. Its friendly neighborhoods reflect diversity and opportunity, making this a wonderful place to live, work, learn, and play. Welcome to 10880 Bianco Way, located in the heart of Rancho Cordova, close to shopping, dining, and easy access to Highway 50. Meticulously maintained, this home is a testament to modern comfort and convenience. The expansive living room features a cozy stacked stone fireplace, perfect for entertaining and relaxing with loved ones. The open kitchen is a chef's delight, offering an abundance of oak cabinetry and countertops, a gas burner cooktop, and a sunny breakfast nook. Spacious, the primary suite with a luxurious bath boasts dual sinks, a soaking tub, a separate clear glass walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Outside, the low-maintenance yard provides a serene oasis to entertain under the pergola, relax in the spa while enjoying the California sunshine. Discover the perfect blend of luxury and convenience that awaits at 10880 Bianco Way. Schedule your private showing today.